Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Cornflakes are golden flakes of corn encrusted with honey, nuts, and brown sugar. It's because they're encrusted with honey, nuts, and brown sugar that they stay crunchy and delicious to the very last flake. Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Cornflakes. The trouble is they taste too good.
Bird's dream topping makes a trifle happier.
King slammed the car into gear and nailed the accelerator to the floor, but not for long. Today, of all days, the fast lane was closed for repair. The road ahead was choked with traffic, and he cursed his luck and the weekend drivers who blocked his path. Through clenched teeth, he urged them to get out of his way. Come on, come on, come on!
Sometimes driving is more rewarding when experienced at second hand.
Two small boys grinned ghoulishly from the car in front. Now fate itself seemed to mock him. Enough was enough.
Intercity. We're getting there.
There are workouts for biceps. There are workouts for thighs. There are workouts for legs. And now there's even a workout for your thumb, the Sweetex workout. Up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. Unlike sugar, Sweetex are calorie-free, so they help keep your thumb and your body in really good shape. Sweetex, the sweetest part of your daily workout.
Coming up in just a few moments' time, of course, our usual late-night look at the weather forecast. First, though, it's more night thoughts.
Gita Jayanti, or the birth of the philosophy in the battlefield, is a great occasion to one and all in